Meet Billy. Billy thinks he's the next Jordan Belfort because he copied a trade off an Instagram guru, and it actually worked. He was one of those sketchy guys, the ones with the rented cars, fake chains, and courses in their bio. And that first win, that first successful trade, changed everything. All of a sudden, he thinks he's hacked the system. He thinks he's figured it out. Now he tells his friends that he's a trader and that he's going to escape the matrix. And his behavior changes too. He starts checking stock prices during lunch. He starts looking at portfolios differently. He starts reading headlines that a week ago he would have ignored. But here's the thing about Billy. He's not stupid. He actually does some research. He watches videos, he reads articles, he even learnt a few terms like liquidation and leverage. The problem isn't that he doesn't know anything, it's that he thinks knowing something makes him ready. So a few days go by and he's ready to make his second trade. So he sits on his couch, grabs a coffee, opens Instagram and checks if his favorite guru has dropped a trade he can copy. And sure enough, he has. But this time, Billy does something different. Instead of trading with $20 capital like usual, he puts down $5,000. He thinks he's going to make his yearly salary in a day. So he logs in and puts in the trade. After a few hours, it starts going bad. He's down 15%. He starts checking his phone every hour. He starts losing sleep. He checks again. 40% down. Then 60. You see, professional traders set a limit and leave when things go sideways. But Billy, he holds. Not because he believes in the trade, but because selling means admitting that he was wrong. This is when he realizes something. Trading isn't exciting when you're losing. It's just stressful. The reason why most people can't handle trading is because it's not about being smart. It's about knowing how to take a loss and not letting it ruin your whole week. It's about going back every single time until it works. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to share, like and subscribe for more finance content from my perspective.